Home should be a place of warmth, unconditional love, tranquility, and security. And for most of us, home and family can indeed be counted on among our greatest blessings. Tragically, for many Americans, their home is tarnished by violence and fear. And whereas family violence is a crime that transcends race, religion, ethnicity, and economic structure, and one of its greatest tragedies is its effect on our young people. And whereas across America, an estimated 4 million cases of domestic violence occur each year, and at its most tragic level, kills an average of more than 3 women every day. And whereas each October, the formal recognition of Domestic Violence Awareness Month allows the community to acknowledge and show their support for the victims of this horrific crime. And whereas a coalition of organizations has emerged to directly confront this crisis and are achieving success. Law enforcement officials, those involved with shelters and hotline services, healthcare providers, clergy, and concerned citizens are helping in the effort to end domestic violence. We must recognize the compassion and dedication of these volunteers and professionals and applaud their efforts and increase public understanding of this important problem. Now, therefore, I, Garret Nancolas, Mayor of the City of Caldwell, hereby proclaim the month of October 2016 as Domestic Violence Awareness Month and urge all citizens of Caldwell to become a part of the coordinated community response to domestic violence and to send the message that this crime will not be tolerated in our community. Signed this day, October 3rd, 2016. Kim, to you and to your organization, you're one of these great caring organizations that was described in this proclamation. I've known you for several years, and your heart is as big as Texas, and your compassion toward these victims is just overwhelming. So I want to say thank you to you and all those who work with you and all those who are involved in this prevention and awareness process in any way, shape, or form. So on behalf of the council members in the City of Caldwell, congratulations to you and thank you. And I'll present you this proclamation in just a second after you get done with your remarks.
Thank you. Thank you, Mayor and council members. It's always our pleasure to be here, and we thank you for your continued support of our efforts to end domestic violence and sexual assault right here in Canyon County. This last year, in our little bitty shelter over there, we've sheltered 400 women and 367 children in just 1 year, and the year's not over yet, and that's just our shelter. But I think that the true end to domestic violence starts with prevention. And a couple of years ago, our program started our teen outreach program, and this year alone, we have already reached over 7,000 teens with healthy relationship curriculum, and we've seen so many come forward and say, we need extra help, are you there to help us? And we are totally there to help them. And I want to also thank the Idaho Youth Branch for being a partner with us and helping us in our efforts, and we partner with them and they partner with us, and it's a beautiful relationship. And so it does take the entire village, the entire community, and so thank you for your